after over the issue of DUMSOR now. DUMSOR there, make this explanation no yapa ho. Yapa explanation ho.
See DUMSOR ni ho.
Obi amfa ho, but me do mechanic and so am ho. Me a fashion designer, me who problem am home. I can see it. What is it? So I say obi ba gina tade akọ baby, ochina or they call wedding. Na say one for man and another man Monday a point be na wo. And for so obi amaso. What is it? It wo me enter say problem no e wo ho. And obi azu nim say wo ho. We say nya dia ade aye kom and bi obi abeka che say wo kom ne me. We ade aye ne yare. So what is it? And wo mu hwe say problem we no omo be hwe no ma solve no. Explanation bi ni ho a ebetimi ato obi trim say ma me ya last week as say obeto nenam gu ye omo mu asaf market wa wo say ni ko omo dum kanea enam bebra say say ma me say wo ko explanation say na generator she na what dey it doesn't mean anything to
Asia
at the cost me say abonika wakobo busi akofa nam aba be ye ne ka enti wo ka sa Asia enti Asia no is that the only thing e betimi aka che ma me no say ni pakro no ba so oba ba gini sika no ma ka che ne so akoso mbo ahye enti no ko na mintimi ntua sa ne pese e ka che wo adwuma no wo so mu hweso no mu ye adwuma we nyina no so no problems ya e be ba nyina o mu na ye the cause of the problem o and this for na ye the cause of the problem enyo obia ana wo ka so wo di ko so obi se obi na bia wo wachire wo mu yeyi wo mu say ezisi ofu a ye pam wo mu omu ye managers ana say ye from say omu ye directors ana managers ye pam wo mu kan na jai it means any managers no problem
actually nkase apamu
omonka so yeyi wo mu di
omonka so ma yubi
oh na me pa so say wo mu we
say shake up doesn't mean so much. The only person now here clear eh great co CEO no na
great co CEO it's great co CEO no omuyi na di no anase omu on tranche no kan ya na jai answer na no
87% kan ya 6 no
ma 20% pe check the records akoso mbonu ma 20% dia kan nyina ya tema na dia keka kan ho enti no 20% no ntese ya so bu problem ni nyina wie 20% na 1000 megawatts ntimi what I say it yen tase na ehu se sa baby ehye no ene no enko an na ye the so cause of the problem ni na transmission problems wo msika sem ni ade bebe
problem ni bi eden
bebe o say
bi eden
baby ye ka sika aya de beto fuel ayi man yin so begina parliament friend say majority leader o say one city pe eno na ye de koto obi no wa kan generational problem bi ade cheye but mama yariga ma yeta say if we are able to pay sa yetimi tua sa one cedi na ye benye ska tofu anu ntiede that is going to stop doing so
but I buy you are clear about 1.4 billion dollars
that na ka wo before the 1.4 billion energy debt report you have in front of you na ka wo ebi no so aba betua ka no enti wo betua ka no amenyi ni say no na wo say o de ka say ma be clear ka enti wo clear ka no na ka ne ani so ye
is IPPC omon kasa sa first no mo
oh but they are still talking they have a problem this omu baby o man
but you had instances
omu
threatening abay
na so this omu baby o man ka na dey tin omu ebi no mutimi produce at full capacity why they are not producing at full capacity what I say asogli ni ade ade nyina wo hwe omu records na they are not full only full capacity until there is a problem omunya politics na omu de ye no senya politics a nka da we kura mejiri zenka omu so obu kura de dada right from the time wa John Jina po be sha se di ni intro
okay
on be di ye no ni say containers 3000 1500 ayira onu ni pakro ya anso na num ton o se za containers no containing transformers most of them contains transformers it's not transformers ni go here then last time because I say we have retrieved it I'm saying Ghana so ye man ko bi afia nwade o retrieve free here
enya no ano masaka
exactly no me see omu pa ye no wan fa anya politics and o ko straight no mu ko sha se omu yes a transformers in wadwuma e ka problem we nka ye hu me pa to tia say so nim say transformers problem no wa be ka che bosu me be se mi ensa se na ne de ka containers wasem me wa no na containers mu si ho esi ho and obi akwa we and akofo na wia and ye we na saa na de nenam saa be busumi mienu miensa yes nkofo wia after the wabeka say they have retrieved it so we retrieve ade how the battery match say
Osaka
Osaka fi ho ade ya be wia no missing containers ya retrieve ye hu nipa kra ya retrieve free no and we need the case so wabeka say me pamocho asema me kan me boa onu nipa ko gina parliament was see container
eno aka ho bi na kan eri
o ka dia kan na so see transformers the transformers were right in front of you so eno na nka mo be sesa menye ni say ka mo ba be kan one city pe eno na mo be sesa na so wo problem na menye ni say ka be ka say yen contribute one city pe what I say for 1 liter
be other factors no dos
yeah but ono no and then mo ka che.
And of course, $1.4 billion means sene ka ho. Any other things so you know so ka say
see ya
city no a or G on a liter no e ba be boa me etimi akla probably say nya bi anka ba na ka ya ka say
but yenya size ka no it's light of no favor not just say it is not the mere fact to say yenya size ka no
also mention say and so mention say
me say wona wo kofa ba wo see ya tua sika no enti sanka e ma say na me ka say sika no ya tua enti ya tua sika no na say sika no ne ya dey solve problem na e dey na kanea no e ko off na kanea ne ko off no so say ya no a wasen ya change na no ka say we are ba say transformers say one argument ni na based on transformers apart from that there be apart from that my reason for from there ba reason be any
once somebody an error so we are coming back to the transformers
internet transformers ni go where there thousands of them are working once them ni go where there and you know politics no oh na yam say NDC no still an omu so mo campaign mood no oh yes and omu ya na when NDC for MPP for me ya then and MPP sa yes omu wo campaign mood no but no entini solve problem no
so you no mu free
no mo ne as we speak and then kofo ka say na MPP for na kwahye generator no
e hwan no
oh what the NDC for nya de mu man oh no bet mami ya o keka nsemba say I will see waka the same thing wo mo amunu station SYZ waka wo person tie voice na wo person wo voice wo wo
on there
you have it
they waka na nsen
they
keka nsem na nsen na say
ase mo na man o say yi woni awudifo we ti wa e ba akwhye no na ya de agu aba na ni ma say who in his right mind ana obeka say me kwa akwhye generator ana baby a generator ni si no wo pega na ha baby a national security workers here pa ya kosombo baby a national security yes strong pa ya kosombo because of the presence of the dam it is national security no ho no bi timi ko wura dem wo kwhye no na opie o me pa to me ka asem so
men
o kan ya
be men so asem
me o tie men so asem we say awudifo we ti krom ha
and so because asem no here on this platform here entertain
o me pa to we entertain ba ma me fa kama asem so obia ni ho
we dey come asem say
we dey come asem say
asem wan nimu dey o dey come asem
say nim na kofo nsema asem o mu kan ni na kofo tie o
ba nya ha
kofo tie o me pa to please bia o ka se o na wontie kofo tie ka se MPP for na akwhye no MPP for na yesei
e do the stand say
nipa o me pa to o person tie voice na mama XYZ my try to me phone so we da me nua no be mo na me dey mama abo